A is for apple. Can you say A? B is for balloon. Pop the B balloons. Can you find B? C is for cat. Can you find the C words? D is for dog. Jump on D. Can you find it? E is for egg. Catch the eggs. Can you help E? F is for fox. Where is the fox? Can you find it? G is for grapes. Catch the grapes. Can you help G?
H is for hop. Jump on H. Can you hop like H?
I is for ice cream. Catch the ice cream. Can you help I? J is for jump. Jump with J. Can you jump high?
K is for kick. Kick the K balls. Can you kick like K?
L is for light. Turn on the L lights. Can you find L? N is for nest. Find the nest. Can you help N? O is for O. Toss the rings. Can you try? P is for popcorn. Pop and catch. Can you help P? Q is for queen. Where is the queen? Can you find her?
R is for run. Catch the R balls. Can you run like R?
S is for slide. Slide with S. Can you slide too? Subscribe to our channel for more fun ABC videos.